Welcome to the Big Braid Show. I'm your host, Mr. Big Braids, coming to you live from the road. Doing a quick update. We got BTC coming at 29,115, just above that 618 on a long-term time frame, 28,110. And we got news coming across. Binance making a deal over in Dubai for some kind of crypto market. Sounds pretty bullish on that end. And then we got Coinbase under freaking watchful eye at this point. Everybody's, it's all over X. It's different to say that now instead of Twitter, but we got X. A lot of stuff going on. It makes me not even want to check anymore. It's like, Twitter. It's like, let's see what's trending on Twitter today. Now it's like, just not even too sure about this X, but it is what it is. And one of the definitely interesting to take a peek on that and see how everything's looking as far as the talk and the controversy that's out there. So we got this Brian Armstrong going head to head with the SEC. We had this XRP breaking moment for XRP, and we've seen some movement in that market as well. And a lot of stuff on X and a lot of other social apps that are talking about how SEC wanted Coinbase to delist everything but BTC, and you definitely got to DYOR and keep your eye on the prize. So I had a lot of people ask me about what are you rolling in, it's I've been loving that accumulation in the stock game across the board. I've been loving all that cannabis products. You don't have to be into cannabis. That's just a given. So I've been taking advantage of that low price action, but and we got BTC. For those of you that have been watching the show for a long time, I was looking for those all-time low price action. We had BTC getting around that 15.8, and that was an unbelievable price action at that point. And so right now, definitely in the green, up there at 29,112. So I had to get on board with that BTC. It might be one of the shrimps or whatnot, but definitely feels good. Got that on ice, and definitely keeping an eye on this crypto market. We got people talking about 2025. We still got these interest rate hikes that are going to be coming up into the year. We got definitely not really too sure, but it's sounding like the Fed's getting pretty aggressive, wanting to do a few more interest rate hikes, get back down to that 2% inflation, and it's going to take time from what they're talking about. So we got all kinds of news going on out there, and things that can affect the market, and interesting to see where they're going. We got a lot of people talking about how it's just part of the plan, and they're going to drop the prices down, get everybody to spread all the FUD, and then after the FUD's all gone and all the investors are gone, boom, buy out the bottom, and then it's unaffordable for every normal folks. So we got people saying that too. So it's interesting to see where we're going, but definitely DYOR and do your own research. And we've had an amazing price action. A lot of people see tragedy. I've definitely seen some opportunity. A lot of stocks on sale, and they were on some extremely awesome sales this year. Everybody's market crashes, devastating that. But for those of us that were just now diving on board and getting that accumulation, it was definitely an amazing price action. And now a lot of us are on board for the long run, and there's no shaking that, because I got diamond hands for days, for years, and definitely looking forward to see where we're going to be at 10 years down the road. I'm definitely out here for the tech, so I'm looking at all the cool video games and such that can come out of this, and useful products, and interesting to see what everybody's coming out with. So definitely got my eyes open for some awesome projects and low price action. So, but I'm going to let you guys get back to it. We definitely got to keep an eye on that support of the 618. Interesting to see what all this news is going to do to the market overall time. But still, until the Federal Reserve starts doing a definite pivot to where we're going to be making some movement up to the upside, holding back on those interest rate hikes. But we got people saying, well, it's already priced in. A lot of people still buying in already, and so at that point, it's definitely got to keep an eye on those supports for get some sideways action over time until that point. And then after that, I'll definitely get definitely start working on getting bullish. But we got the Dow Jones trying to make some movement up to the upside. So as soon as I see some struggle and see some movement back down towards some lower price action, definitely get a better eye of what's going to happen with the market. So interesting to see where we're going with a lot of the price action across the market on the stocks and as well as the crypto, because these interest rate hikes are definitely affecting the price action across the board. So definitely keep an eye on that news, keep an eye on that media, and I'll let you guys get into it, get back to it. So I'm just having a good old time out here on the road, and loving to be able to do a little bit longer show and just get whatever is going on. So you always have a good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good day. Mr. Big Braids is signing out. And you always got to remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. So you always have a good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good day. Mr. Big Braids is signing out.